Being a creative entrepreneur is not easy, and not having the knowledge and skill sets to succeed financially can be frustrating. In this video, I will give you 3 tips on how to make more money as a creative entrepreneur. Coming up. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Lon Jordan, and I am a speaker and author of Sketched by Design. And I give tips to help people discover their unique design so they can be successful in the 21st century marketplace. So how do you make more money as a creative entrepreneur? Well, first, you must become a student of marketing and sales. A huge roadblock keeping many creatives back from earning more money is their inability to market their products and effectively communicate their story and create a vision to others. And when it comes to marketing, it's essential that you do your research and figure out which social media platform works best for marketing your business and mastering it. Now, when I say mastering it, I'm talking about learning how to write copy and headlines that encourage potential customers to read and click. I'm talking about learning how to effectively use photography and video to tell your story. And I'm talking about learning that platform's algorithm, because each platform is different. Taking the time to figure out which social media platform works best for your business and mastering it is essential to increasing your income. It's also important that you develop your communication skills, because without communication skills, it will be hard for you to articulate your story and sell your creative vision. Now, when I say the word sell, I'm not talking about manipulation. I'm talking about effectively communicating the belief behind your creative vision so that people buy into you and the unique value that you offer. Many artists believe that because they are more gifted than other artists, that people should just buy their work because their work speaks for itself, when that is far from the truth. The reality is someone who is less talented, but who is talented enough and who has better marketing will be able to reach more people and make more money than someone who is more gifted than they are. A couple things you can do to hone your communication skills is number 1, studying great communicators in your industry and outside your industry. This will help give you insight on how to become a better communicator. I also want to encourage you to take a public speaking class at a local college or join Toastmasters. This will give you insight and give you the experience you need to learn how to speak in front of small or large groups of people. I also want to encourage you to take e-courses on how to communicate through social media. Honing your marketing and sales skills is essential to being financially successful as a creative entrepreneur. If you feel like you're getting value, make sure to click the like button as well as subscribe, and make sure to click the bell to get notified when a new video comes out. What tip do you have for someone who's struggling to make money as a creative entrepreneur? Let me know in the comment section below. Second tip, don't expect support from your family and friends. Being a creative entrepreneur can be difficult. Why? Because we are wired differently, we approach life differently, and we have a unique lens that we view life. And many times our friends and family can't make sense out of who we are or who we are becoming. Initially, when I pursued my creative endeavors, there were times where my friends and family made fun of me. There were times where they criticized me or didn't take me seriously, and it took me some years to overcome it. But throughout that time, I learned some very valuable lessons. I learned, number 1, that most of my friends and family were not meant to be a part of my tribe. A lot of times we want so desperately to have our friends and family embrace our unique gifts and the creative vision that we have for our life that we allow their opinions to stop us from moving forward, instead of just embracing who we are. I also learned that sometimes you will have to outgrow your friends and family to be successful. Some people take offense when I say this, but some people are incapable or unwilling to grow beyond their previous life's experience. And you have to be okay with letting people go sometimes so that you can become the person that you were meant to become and fulfill the vision that you have for your life. Don't let the narrow-mindedness of others stop you from pursuing your dreams. Third tip, you must take care of yourself. Sometimes I forget that creative entrepreneurship is not a sprint, but it's a marathon. And there have been times where I've worked until 2 p.m. in the afternoon without eating. There have been times where I've only gotten 4 or 5 hours of sleep and started working the next day, and there were times where I didn't get enough exercise, and that hindered me from being effective and productive during the day. Here are a few things that I've been working on that you can do to help you be more productive during the day. Number one, having a set schedule to go to sleep at night and having a set schedule to wake up in the morning. This will help your body feel better throughout the day. And number two, eating right. You know your body more than anyone. You know what foods make you sleepy during the day, and you know what foods give you energy. Taking the time to come up with a healthy diet will help you be more productive during the day. And number three, getting proper exercise. For each person, this looks different. For some people, it's taking a walk in the park during the day. For others, it's working on cardio at the gym or having a hardcore workout. Whatever you need to do to help you have more energy and be more productive during the day. Taking care of yourself is vital to having longevity in your career and making more money. Question of the day. What challenges have you had making money as a creative entrepreneur? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video and would like to learn more about how to avoid burnout as a creative entrepreneur, make sure to watch my video up here. As well as make sure to subscribe and click the bell to get notified when a new video comes out. See you in the next video.